ni
I think
pé
there's an emergency in
imagine Ogun State.
So this video is for Ogun State Governor, Commissioner of Health concerning the issue of this explosion in Ogun.
Jasi, níbo la Jasi gangan àwọn ọmọ kóòtù òjìrì. Àwọn bàbá wa mọ́ni àwọn bàbá wa mọ́ni wọ́n ní àhípé níbo la fẹ́ bá yàrá Jasi. Ibi tá bá yàrá Jasi leléyìí o, ibi tá Jasi rè. Àwọn bandits wọ́n ti ṣe graduation fáwọn ọmọ tó jí kó. Wọ́n wá náwọn máa gba owó ìtanràn lórí àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n ṣe kíni tí wọ́n kọ́ ní Quran. Nígbà tá tẹnu mọ́ wọ́n fẹ́ islamize, wọ́n fẹ́ fulanize òun ni. Ibo la Jasi, ibi tá Jasi ni pé imagine Ogun State. Wọ́n fẹ́ máa lock àwọn protesters, wọ́n tì wọ́n mọ́ta. Àwọn èèyàn wá fi ẹ̀rọnú wọn hàn ẹ́ tí wọ́n mọ́ta. Ẹ rò pé àná àbíjẹta lẹ́ ń sọ ni. Ẹ jọ kí ni tí wọ́n fleet sí school àwọn ọmọ Ogun State. Ibi tá Jasi nìyẹn o. Táwọn ọmọ fi ń dèrò hospital, táwọn ọmọ fi ń kú. Ẹ bá wa bí governor eléyìí, Dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún eléyìí, alias eléyìí. Ẹ jọ o, ẹ bá wa wò nǹkan ṣe sí o. Ibi tá Jasi, níbo la Jasi, òun ni wípé Nàìjíríà ti tán. Lọ́nà wo? Àwọn ọmọ ECWA àtàwọn pásítọ̀ tí wọ́n gbé ní ECWA, wọ́n mà náà ti pa wọ́n. Elédùmarè ṣàánú o. Wọ́n náà ti pa wọ́n o. Àwọn 5 tí wọ́n jí kó ní church ECWA ní Kwara. Ibi tá Jasi nìyẹn o. Ibo la Jasi, ibi tá Jasi ni pé ẹ̀mí kan báàgì ráìsì kan. Òun ló wọ̀tì lọ́dọ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ state government. Ibi tá Jasi nìyẹn o. Ibo la Jasi, ibi tá Jasi ni wípé kí government má lè sọ nǹkankan. Kọ́ má lè gbé ìgbésẹ̀ lórí àwọn ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ibo la Jasi, ibi tá Jasi ni pé wọ́n sọ wípé kí each state government kí wọ́n include Sharia law. If not, ìjínigbé will continue. Ibi tá Jasi nìyẹn o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ kóòtù òjìrè, ibo la Jasi o. Ibi tá Jasi ni pé ó tùkù a whole chief security officer of a state 15 days láti lọ yọjú sí àwọn tí wọ́n jí àwọn èèyàn wọn gbé. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ kóòtù òjìrè, ibo la Jasi. Ibo la Jasi, ibi tá Jasi ni wípé mọ́tò Dangote ni wọ́n fi ń kó àwọn ará bí from one state to another, from one city to another. Government ò dẹ̀ rí nǹkan kan ṣe sí Dangote, kò dẹ̀ rí nǹkan kan ṣe sí gbogbo àwọn driver Dangote. At least wọ́n máa wà registered, wọ́n máa wà nínú kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe kí ni tó ń san salary fún. Ibo la Jasi, ibi tá Jasi ni pé kò yẹ kí ọmọ kóòtù òjìrè kan dúró de ìjọba mọ́ o. Ibo la Jasi, ibi tá Jasi ni pé wọ́n tún lọ ṣe kí ni, wọ́n tún lọ ṣe ìkọlùkọgbà níbẹ̀ jùlẹ́kí. A rí bí àwọn ọmọ ṣe ń sá. Ibo la Jasi ní ilẹ̀ kóòtù òjìrè. Ibi tá Jasi ni pé Àtíkù tí ò bọ́ta kó wá condemn àwọn ọmọ tán jí kó, ó ti bọ́ta wá condemn àwọn pẹ̀ntẹlẹmẹ́sì tí wọ́n gbé o. Àwọn ẹbí Adélabú rádà Adélabú náà, àwọn ẹbí Adélabú tí wọ́n jí gbé ó ti bọ́ta wá condemn ẹ o. Ibo la Jasi o. Ibi tá Jasi ni pé àwọn agbésùmọ̀mí, Boko Fúlàní, Boko Meyati Allah, Boko afẹ́ranjoko, Boko ajínigbé, Boko afitipátipá bánilòpọ̀, Boko adánásunlé, Boko ISWAP, Boko ISIS, Boko Lakurawa. Wọ́n ti ṣe kí ni o? Wọ́n ti gbìnàyà o. Wọ́n ní oríláyà, wọ́n gba hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ráyé ọmọ kóòtù òjìrè, ibi tá Jasi nìyẹn pé kò síbi tó sèvù. Ibo la Jasi, ibi tá Jasi ni pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá gan wọ́n ṣe kí ni wọ́n ká wọn lọ́wọ́ kò nígbà tá à ń ṣe àwọn ìwádìí lábẹ́lú. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá, àwọn ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá kọ̀ọ̀kan sọ wípé order from above òun ni ò jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ ibi táwọn máa gbà o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ kóòtù òjìrè, ṣe ti rí ibi tá wá Jasi báyìí. Ibi tá Jasi nìyẹn o ní ilẹ̀ kóòtù òjìrè. Ibi tí Nàìjíríà Jasi gangan leléyìí o. Nàìjíríà ti já sínú kànga o. Kànga fulanization, kànga islamization, kànga sharianization ni Nàìjíríà Jasi báyìí. A dẹ̀ ń pariwo ọdún tó bá jẹ́ wípé àwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé ẹja sọ nǹkan tó máa move wa forward. Ń bọ̀ gangan ni problem ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Báwo la ṣe débí yìí? Báwo la ṣe Jasi ibi tá Jasi? Ibi bá ṣe Jasi ibi tá Jasi ni àìbìkítà àwọn ènìyàn wa òun ló mú wa Jasi bí. Mi ò rò pé gbogbo ọba ní ilẹ̀ kóòtù òjìrè wọ́n ti jáde, wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀, bóyá wọ́n ti jáde, wọ́n ti ṣèpàdé lórí àwọn ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ibi tá já sí nìyẹn. Ńbo la já sí? Ààrẹ ferege. Ẹjọ́ mo ti pe governor, mo ti kọ lẹ́tà sí governor, mo ti sọ fún governor. Òun là ń gbọ́. The same old story. Òun la ti ń gbọ́ láti bí ọdún mélòó kan. Ibi tá já sí nìyẹn ní ilẹ̀ Kóòtù Òjìrè o. Ńbo la wá já sí gangan. Àti wá já sí ilẹ̀ Kóòtù Òjìrè ti wá já sí pé ohun tó ń jẹ́ ìbànújẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹkún àwọn ènìyàn wọ́n fi ṣe content ni. Content oríṣiríṣi ni lórí ayélujára. Content ni. Ẹnìkan ló pè mí pé báwo mo ṣe mọ̀ pé wọ́n ṣe content. Èmi náà wọ́n tó máa ń sọ gbogbo ẹ̀fẹ́ mi. Èmi ò wò wọ́n. In fact, ó ní iye time tí mo máa lò lórí ayélujára. Ó ní iye mo ní time tí mo lè lò lórí ẹ̀. Ẹ wá fi gbogbo nǹkan ṣe content. Àwọn ọmọ sá láti inú school wọ́n sá kíjokíjo. Ẹ wá sọ di content. Ṣé orí àwọn èèyàn wa ó yà pé wọn ò normal. A kàn ń wò bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o. They are under frustration. Ó dàbí pé wọ́n wà under spell pàápàá. Wọ́n wà under fear. Wọ́n wà under panic. Torí ẹ̀mí ṣe ń blame àwọn èèyàn but kò wá ó ti ń bọ́ sí abnormal. Ńbo la wá já sí nísìn. Finally ibi tá já sí ni pé gbogbo àwọn Fúlàní gbogbo àwọn ìmáàmù àwọn Islamic ìmáàmù wọn ò bọ́ síta sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ajínigbé àmọ́ wọ́n jáde síta wọ́n sọ wípé àwọn prefer láti bá Fúlàní àtàwùsá tó jẹ́ Muslim ṣe dan káwọn bá ọmọ Kóòtù Òjìrè tó jẹ́ Christian àti oníṣẹ̀ṣe ṣe. Ibi tá já sí nìyẹn. Ẹ̀yin oníṣẹ̀ṣe ẹ dìde ńlẹ̀ o etí yín mélòó méjì ni. Ẹ má jẹ́ àgbàgbé òwe káwí fún ni ká gbọ́ yẹn. Àwa ò lè dúró de ìjọba torí pé kí ni àwa ò jẹ́ lábẹ́ ìjọba. Láti ìgbà tí wọ́n ti ń ṣètò ìjọba ti ń sponsor hajj ló ti ń sponsor Jerusalem. Ǹjẹ́ wọ́n sponsor ìṣẹ̀ṣe for one bit? Àsìkò tí ìṣẹ̀ṣe wá ń tayọ ó ti ń tayọ bọ̀. Ẹ wá rò bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́nu láti sọ̀rọ̀ àlùfàǹṣá sí ìṣẹ̀ṣe. Ẹ̀yin oníṣẹ̀ṣe ẹ múra gidigidi ẹ palẹ̀ mọ́ ju tàtẹ̀yìn wá lọ. Ẹ má dúró de ìjọba o. Ṣé mọ̀ pé àwọn ará bí ìjọba náà fi ń kẹ́wọ́ ìjọba ò gbà wá láyè ẹ̀rọ ilẹ̀ fún wọn lójú méjèèjì. Ẹ fi ọ̀rọ̀ gbé wọn ní ojú méjèèjì. Àwọn ẹnikẹ́ni tí wọ́n bá mú nínú igbó tẹ́ bá ti fi ṣàfihàn wọn àìrẹ́jẹ̀kù ọ̀rọ̀ ní kẹ́ fi wọ́n ṣe torí ohun tó wà ńlẹ̀ ó máa katẹ́gùn ní Ifá ti sọ. Ifá ní gbogbo àṣírí máa tú tí àṣírí bá tú tán ìtura máa wá dé àmọ́ kí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀mí má bàa sọnù kí ìtura yẹn tó dé làwa ṣe ń pariwo la ṣe ń ké tọ̀tọ̀tọ̀tọ̀. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi tẹ́ ṣe ń ṣe ẹ̀sìn àjòjì ẹ̀mí ara yín lẹ fi ń wéwu kí kálukú padà lọ sílé kó lọ ṣe àtúnṣe ara ẹ̀. Ẹ má wá nǹkan tí mo sọ fún yín ẹ má wá nǹkan tí ò sọnù kiri o. Kò sóògùn owó nínú ìṣẹ̀ṣe. Ẹni bá ń wá oògùn owó kó padà síbi tó ti ń bọ̀. Béèyàn kan bá sọ fún yín pé òun náà oògùn owó lọ́wọ́ kò ń ṣe oníṣẹ̀ṣe original. Ẹ lọ wádìí wọn. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ rẹ́ nìkan tó ń ṣe òun kìíní ẹ̀tàn jẹ́ torí nǹkan táwọn èèyàn wá fẹ́ nìyẹn. Èmi ò ń tọ̀yàn jẹ máa sọ fún ẹ. I will say it as it is. Tó bá wù yín kẹ́ gbà á wí kónkó lójú ọlọ́rọ̀ tó bá wọn lọ́rọ̀ kó lọ kó sínú kànga. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Òótọ́ nìkan òun nìkan ni mo nígbàgbọ́ nínú ẹ̀ ni mo gbé dání. Tó bá wù kálukú yín kó gbóòtọ́ dání tó bá wù kálukú yín kó má gbóòtọ́ dání. Irọ́ la fi já síbi tá já sí. Àìṣòdodo àwọn ọmọ Kóòtù Òjìrè òun ló jẹ́ kí a já síbi tá já sí lẹ́yìn.
So this video is for Ogun State Governor, Commissioner of Health, concerning the issue of this explosion in Ogun State. Sorry, I've got a swollen eye. Please, I want to implore Ogun State government. The lives of every citizen remains important to us, if not cheap people, because countless times I have been on this media space calling the government attention to how children are being attended to how they've been responded to. And to the best of my knowledge, I don't think I've ever gotten the best or a manageable response from you people. So a few weeks ago, this issue of gas explosion happened. We saw all the videos. I called. I was screaming, shouting, and crying. You know, I had to call. I was in panic mood. And all I was hearing Ogun State people say, they don't want just Adeton Swallow. They don't. I don't give a hoot. What you want, I cannot give. But what I want, I will get from you people. And what I want from you people is to continuously respond to these children. There was a gas explosion. You claim that you just bought ambulances when the president came. We saw it. You brought, I don't know whether now 5 or 10 ambulances to camouflage to the president when he came to open the airports. After the president left, Elsa Fojo, I caught you verbatim. A few weeks ago, you claimed that after I called your governor out, you people went to acquire extra ambulances. Please, have you returned the ambulances to the places where you borrowed them from? Because we have still not seen these ambulances being functional. I have not seen any brand new ambulance roving anywhere in Ogun State. Now we need the government to close down this particular school, because if you cannot identify the cause of this leakage, these children are inhaling dangerous substances that can cause adverse effects later in life. They said they treated them, Coca. You said you treated them. All the students have been discharged. Why have you not stationed paramedics permanently in that school if you still want them to be going to school? Let me continue. You said the federal government is involved. So apparently, we have not seen any federal government action. I don't know why the school should be open. Education is important, but not at the detriment of anybody's health, for crying out loud. You people should be thinking better by now. Students are writing work. They can join them with other schools. That environment should be completely evacuated. So please, we are requesting for the immediate closure of that particular environment, whether people are living there or people are schooling there. Let there be an immediate closure. Enough of your lies, enough of your packages, enough of your misrepresentation just to please me because you don't want me to come and just do the needful. They are carrying children to hospitals with catamaran. No gloves, no enough bed, no stretchers, no nothing. Packing students inside ambulances like a Modway. Even the ambulances, there are no paramedics. How long do you people want to continue to tell lies? For how long do you people want to continue to create a false narrative at the detriment of the citizens' health and lives? Please, you can do better. You can obviously do better. Coca, you can do better. Let them shut down the school. All the ministries involved, please let them shut down the school. You are not doing anything to impress the citizens. You should do everything to secure the lives of the citizens. Ogun, you people say you are the best. You just did a video spending money on media, creating a narrative of Ogun State is the best. The best in what? In welfare, in security, in health. Just close down the schools. Please, close down the schools. Enough of your tantrums, Dakwabiadu and your cohorts. You people should close down the schools and secure the lives of citizens. They are very important to us if they don't mean nothing to you. They might not be voters, but they are our leaders of tomorrow. You might not need them now. You might not need their votes now or their manipulation, but they are leaders of tomorrow. And we care about them. We're concerned about them. They are more important to us than anything that matters to you. So please, we are requesting for the immediate closure. This incident has been happening and it's been happening back and forth. And you people don't have enough. How many local governments do we have in Ogun State? Each local government should have at least 5 ambulances. I'm sure Ijebu cannot boast of 10, as big as it is. So this thing has been consistent. If they cannot close down, if they cannot provide immediate instant, we don't even need that. Because you can't put 20 ambulances on standby. I don't think people have it. You don't have it. I don't think you don't have it. If you have it, let them go and mount 20 ambulances. And it's not even enough for those children. The local government does not have 20 ambulances. And look at how many schools are there. And this is what we're talking about. Every school should have a permanent standby ambulance. At least. Every time we'll be calling you people out. Every time we'll be calling people out. But you are not doing these things to please the citizen. You want to do it to go and prove yourself to people. People don't give a hoot about you that you are performing. Go to their hospitals. Go into those hospitals. They're even taking those children. In the whole of Ogun State, there's no pediatric emergency unit. There is none. In the whole of Ogun State, there is no pediatric emergency unit. The hospital you claim you have been building for years is still there. You are living in how many months? Unfinished project. So if there are emergencies, they should start transporting people from Ijebu, Ikene, Ilison, Iperu, straight to Abeokuta, Elomi ati Kukoto Debe. Let them re-establish and renovate our primary health care centers. The major general hospital in Ijebu, nothing is there. Look at the nurses coming out to scream. Look at people coming out. On a numb, because I don't know because I cannot buy in Jasi. Tori we know to go and 25. The Lord said, Mama, Baba. Never mind the Please let them close down the school. Let them close down the school with immediate effect. Examination is not more important than the lives of the citizens. Thank you.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ kó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.